Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply, and today we're going to discuss American Sander's new edger, the Compass. Comes with this handy case. This edger is really been designed for doing treads, risers, and under toe kicks and radiators. So you get an idea, and you can see how I'm handling this with one hand. This isn't your typical weight of an edger. This is only like 10 pounds. Manual. Power cable. So this is a locking power cable. It is on the top of the unit. If you notice on traditional edgers, the power cable is typically on the side of the handle. Normally when somebody's running an edger, they may be clipping the power cable up under their belt to keep it out of the way. That puts stress on the strain relief. So this edger plugs in from the top and has a positive lock on it. And if you do end up, tucking that cable up under your belt, you're not going to put stress on that. So this has an on-off button and then a power engage. So you want to be on, power engage. When you're doing stairs for treads and risers, you're going to be taking off this caster bracket, which will make it feel like a traditional edger when you're doing more production work, like around the edge of the room. So this tapered high density plastic, and then you also have that same style plastic along the front nose. So in the front, it's thinner than the sides. And the reasoning behind that, you get closer to the wall with the front, and on the sides, when you're up on the riser, it will keep it away from the tread nose. So, and then the base tread, so you're not cutting into the tread below when you're doing the riser. This is gonna take a 5-inch hook and loop disc, so any of your planetary sanding that you're doing with the multi-head discs, it's going to take the same style paper. So this 180 degree LED light really is going to let you see in dark spaces, new construction sites where the lighting might not be great, particularly in closets. You're really going to be able to light it up and see that area, see what kind of scratch pattern you're leaving. One of the great things about this edger is its ability to change this handle. Now I want you to notice, you'll hear those are all detents. So we're going to lock this in, and we'll be able to edge horizontally. And again, this is only 10 pounds. So we'll edge, part of the riser this way, switch it up, the other part of the riser this way. So again, really well designed. You're looking at about 4,000 RPMs. It does come with the 1.5-inch elbow and adapter for a standard 1.5-inch hose. If you want it traditional feel to this as an edger, same concept here, raising and lowering the casters. You would just snap this right back on and you're good to go. Particularly if you're more comfortable with that doing production work, the perimeter of an entire room, you'll have the feel of a traditional edger. I also want to mention this, as far as sound level, is about 80 decibels. That's not even close to what a traditional edger is. Because of the weight of this at 10 pounds, you're not going to be exhausted going up and down the stair and doing the whole staircase. So American Sanders, Compass Edger. And if you want any more information or need to talk about it, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to the website at cityfloorsupply.com and also the YouTube channel.